In this video, we are going to learn about how to post in Substack. So let's get started. First of all, open a browser and go to substack.com and make sure you are signed in. After that, you can see this interface like this, and you can see a button like create. Click to this button, and after that, you can see note, article, video, podcast, live, recording, studio. I want to post an article. So click here to post an article. After that, you can see the article posting interface like this. Here you can see title, subtitle, tags, and also paragraph part. You can post article using this method. So let's get started. I'm posting an article like this. Copy this and paste here. So you can post an article like this. You can also add subscribe button like from here. Click to this button and subscribe, and also you can add subscribe button again, and also you can add another button like after completing everything you can just press to continue. Select your audience like everyone, or you can also click to paid subscription only and allow comment from everyone or no one. You can change or you can select anyone. Here you can select some tags here, and also you can send via email and the Substack app. Also schedule option is available. You can change the publishing date or time. After completing everything, just click to send to everyone now. And that's it. You can post an article using this method in Substack. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you think this video is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.